Welcome back to the House Extras. This is my Columbia Super Cuda, brand new bowling ball, symmetric from the Columbia 300 line. Let's get into warming up, lining up with it, and then reviewing it and telling you guys where it fits in my bag and where it might fit in yours. Strong. Might be a little stronger than the original Cuda. All right, warming up with it. It's a little early. I'm gonna throw one more shot with it and then I'm gonna get into a little bit of a challenge with myself. Ooh, color pin strike. Here we go. I think I'm lined up now. This is a pretty burnt up house shot, for warning. One more shot to line up. I think I'm good. If I get rid of that early hook, it shoots down there real nice. So I'm gonna be able to move a little left and loft it just a hair. Trying to throw 10 strikes in 15 shots or less. See if I can do it. You guys all have to buy this ball from buddiesproshop.com. And if I don't do it, I won't make any of you guys buy this ball. To be fair, I'm not making any of you guys buy this ball anyway, but you guys might get one for free if you hit subscribe, I'm just saying. Here we go. 10 strikes in 15 shots or less while I talk to you guys about this ball. Oh, for starters, this ball, layout-wise, this is going to be a 60 by 4 3/4 by 55 layout for me. So if you guys are looking to buy this ball, looking to put my layout on your ball, that's the layout that I would do. I'm gonna go 18 to about 18 with my feet, maybe 15 at the arrows. Cut the set. The lanes are hooking super early, but this ball's actually floating through it pretty good. If I loft it a little bit, it really floats through it. If I lay it down like that one, you see it start up real nice, but it doesn't over jump, which is always a bonus. I would hate to see a ball, like a really strong ball right now, I'd probably struggle with a lot, but this ball probably fits right in that benchmark spot. I'm gonna loft this one a little bit. Still going 18 to like 15. Oh, it even wiggled it. I'm gonna move though. It's a good sign. I lofted a little bit, it hooked more down lane, so I'm gonna make a small move. Right now though, 1 of 2. Even though I got some warm up in, I didn't quite line up with the ball. It's almost like the first half of these ball videos, I almost spend lining up, figuring out what the ball's capabilities are, and then the back half, I really come alive and start striking. Ooh. Yeah, just up the lane. I think my last shot would have been fine if it was up the lane like that, or if that shot was further left at the break point. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw a little slower, make sure it blends out that spot where if it's in the oil, it still hooks and strikes. 1 of 3, we got some work to do. Really good. Shoot. 1 for 4, by the way, is not a good start. The good news is I'm hitting the pocket and I'm making all these micro adjustments that are working. I just gotta get them to go through the pins a little bit better. And it's hard with a really burnt up house shot. Get my ball to go through the pins too good. That means I gotta go 9 of my next 10, and I wouldn't be surprised if I do. If the ball's going through the pins good, I slowed down. I'm gonna move 2 right, keep the speed slow. Bang. Good shot. I mean, not really a good shot, but a good result. Overall hook potential of this ball. During these videos, we like to rate our balls on scales. I'll tell you what the scale is, I'll throw another shot, and I'll give you 1 of our 5 metrics. The first metric is gonna be overall hook potential. The second will be length. How long does it go before it starts hooking? Third metric, I guess, would be back end shape. So when it gets down lane, is it sharp? Is it smooth? What kind of shape does it make? And then how good is it on the house shot? How good is it on the sport shot? We're gonna give away a ball if this video can reach above 200 subscribers from this video specifically. I'm only giving it 1 week to get there. So all of you guys out there, click that subscribe button down below. Let's run this channel up 20,000 or more subscribers. We'll give away some bowling balls along the way and hopefully make a lucky fan out of you out there. So all you gotta do to enter that giveaway is click that subscribe button, and there's a link down below in the description that says giveaways. Click that link, enter your email, and that way if you're the lucky winner, we can email you, get your address, and get that ball shipped right out to you. 2 of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 of 7? I might not miss, to be honest. 3 of 8. Yeah, I had 5 misses in a row there. That's, wow. Not good. Yeah, the overall hook potential of this ball, I'd probably put it middle of the bag. It's probably gonna be like a 5.5 in the overall hook potential, where it's gonna be that middle of the bag piece. I can bring it everywhere, do anything with it. It's not gonna be the first ball out of the bag, but it's not gonna be the ball that I throw game 8 of an 8-game block. Yeah, I'd probably give it like a 5.5 overall hook potential. It seems a little stronger than the middle of my bag, but not by much. Hook. Hook. I was worried that that one wouldn't hook because the amount of loft on it. I don't have much time left, but I'm currently 4 of my first 9. Like I said, I need the back 6. I don't have much room for misses. The next metric though that I'm gonna talk about is gonna be length. And with it being a mid piece in my bag, I bet it fits right in the middle of that. Push. Push. Spicy. Yeah, it's like the more I loft it, the more shape it makes down lane. The less I loft it, the less shape it makes down lane. But length, I'll probably give it the same, like a 5.5. Now, I'll give it a 5. It seems a little earlier than maybe those super benchmarky balls, but it's gonna fit right in the middle of all categories. 5.5, 5 in length. Back end, I'd probably even give it, I'd give it a little more back end. I'd probably go back to a 5.5 and give it a 5.5 back end. When I loft it, it seems to make a sharper shape. That's why I'd give it 5.5. It's been overdue for a move for about 2 or 3 shots. I'm gonna go 2 and 1 on my next shot. I am really liking this piece. It didn't start out good because of the lanes, but now that I've adjusted to the lanes, I think this ball is gonna give me everything I want. 6 of 11. I'm gonna go 2 and 1. Keep that speed nice and easy. Ball is hitting the pins so hard. I wish I spent more time warming up and adjusting to what this ball needs to do. I have 5 in a row right now. So I have 6 in a row right now. I'm currently 7 of 12. I need the next 3. If I was to give this ball a house shot rating, I'd probably give it a 7 because it's gonna be perfect for me, but for a lot of those guys who like to see a little more down lane reaction, this might not be the perfect ball for you, but it might be a better ball in transition when the wet dry starts to happen. This ball is gonna hook when you miss in a little bit, and it's gonna be a little smoother when you miss outside a little bit to the dry area. So this is gonna be, for me, a perfect transition piece where I might start with a stronger ball, then go to a transition ball just like this one, or I might just throw this one the whole night. Oh, hook, hook. Oh, hook, hook. What did I say? This ball's hitting the pins so hard. Is that what I said about 30 seconds ago? I need to throw it a little firmer than that. That was, once again, not my best shot. But I need to go 2 of my next 2. On the sports shot side of things, give me one more shot. I'm just gonna throw this one a little firmer. That's all it is. And for those of you wondering, yes, I'm walking them out in the ball video. I will have thrown 9 consecutive strikes if I throw one here, just to get to the ratio that I like to get to. So spend your time in practice lining up. That's my tip to all of you guys out there. The sport shot rating for this ball, I'd probably also give it a 7. It's gonna fit really high in the sport shot rating. Super versatile piece. Right in the middle of my bag and overall hook potential. It's smooth enough. It's not crazy sharp down lane. Whether they're super burnt up house shot like what's behind me, or whether it's a fresh sport shot, this ball can be first out of the bag and I can really discover a lot about the pattern because the ball is gonna be very predictable. Give me one more shot here. One more strike to claim it. 10 of 15 right here. Hook. Bang. That's it. 10 of 15 throwing 9 in a row. 1, spend more time lining up. 2, this ball is gonna be one of the best balls that I've thrown of the year. It's gonna be super versatile all the way throughout my bag. It is gonna be one that I'm gonna bring to every tournament, every house shot. It's gonna fit just right in the middle of all my other pieces. It's similar to the original Cuda. It's earlier than the Cuda Pearl that we had. This ball is just gonna be one of my favorite balls of the year. Just make sure you spend more time warming up. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you guys, I appreciate you watching. As always, we're still doing a giveaway. We have to get 200 or more subscribers from this video and this video alone. Click that subscribe button down below, as well as make sure you click the giveaway link, because if you don't click the giveaway link and enter your email, we can't send you a free bowling ball. And we're only gonna pick one winner, but 200 or more subscribers from this video specifically, and we're gonna give away a brand new bowling ball. It might be this ball, it might be another one, but you don't know if you don't enter. So click that subscribe button, enter that giveaway, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Until the next time, peace. Also, I love this ball. Let me go like 10 right and see what happens. Still hooks. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.